New from Milwaukee, this is the M18 FUEL 508mm or 20-inch dual battery chainsaw. Now, this chainsaw produces the equivalent output of a 70cc petrol chainsaw without the fumes, the servicing, the noise, or most importantly, the pull start. And it is optimized for use with Milwaukee's new forged batteries. With two 8 Ah forged batteries, it produces 9.5 Newton meters of torque from that brushless motor. But it cuts great with all M18 batteries, just as long as you've got two of them. And you've got two power modes there you can toggle between to choose between increased output or increased runtime to suit the job that you're doing. That extra power does help to maintain that chain speed, 14.3 meters per second, when cutting through hardwood like I am here. I was using it with just two 6 Ah batteries today, and over about a 15-minute period, I cut up most of this stringy bark tree that I'd felled. The runtime's gonna vary depending on what you're cutting, how hard you're pushing the tool, what batteries you're running, and what mode you're running the saw in. So Milwaukee has produced this guide here to help. Other features include those dual all-metal work spikes up front, that see-through oil and chain bar reservoir, really easy tension adjustment, and the tool for doing so stowed on board as well. Another great feature is those air filters there that are easy to remove and clean to keep the tool running optimally. It's a big saw, it's got a bit of weight behind it, but that all helps when it comes to cutting. You can just rest the saw on top of the timber and let that weight do the work for you. Compared with Milwaukee's other chainsaw offerings, you've got a lot more cutting capacity, a faster cutting speed, and a lot more power. New M18 FUEL 20-inch dual battery chainsaw is available now at your local Sydney Tools store in the Milwaukee aisle. You can also get it from sydneytools.com.au as a bare tool or in a combo kit. Don't delay, check it out at your local Sydney Tools store today. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV. They're opening the roller door. I don't have an office still. Forgive me.